In this video, I'm going to show you how to become a writer for Seeking Alpha. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to the top right here on your profile icon, and then you want to click on write an article. Now, when you do that, it's going to take you to a separate page here, where as you can see, you have a few options. Up top left, you have contributor registration, so you can click on that, and here you can basically become a Seeking Alpha contributor, and then of course you can go through this application process and stuff like that, or by default, it's going to take you to the write an article page here, where basically it's going to take you through the steps over here, where you can essentially basically write the article, okay? So to become a writer, first you'll have to basically click on what do you want to publish. So over here you have like a few options, for example, an article exclusive to Seeking Alpha or not exclusive to Seeking Alpha. So I'm just going to click on over here, for example, and click on next step. Then you will have to verify a few things over here. Of course, if you have any questions, you can just email them to this email over here, and then of course you can just basically answer these questions like that. So just answer them realistically according to your own case, and then here you have to compose your article, so you can just start typing, and then over here of course you can go and add images, main image, etc. You have the formatting options on here, you have the article text here, etc. Okay, so that's essentially how to do this. You have the title, you have your content, and you have the main image over here. Okay, that's kind of the basics. Then when you do this, you can go to the next step, and of course you have to complete the article first. Then you'll have to basically set up title and marketing, a ticker and theme tags, disclosure, summary, final notes, and then the preview, and then after that you'll be able to basically publish it. Okay, now of course, as you were able to see in the first step inside the article type, so if I go back over here, it says that the editorial review is going to be required, so of course it's going to go under review, but that's essentially how you can become a writer for Seeking Alpha. Now if you want to become a contributor, you can do that by clicking over here as I showed you earlier, and then you can go through the application process over here. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.